I am going to ask ChatGPT some seriously complicated marketing questions and see what she has to say. This is going to be fun.
1 nerd, 2 nerds, 3 nerds, 4 marketing nerds do so much more. Over hill and high where the nerd buggies go. Come along and bring you the Marketing Nerd Show. La 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 la.
Welcome to this edition of the Marketing Nerds podcast. My name is Brian. This is where we bring big marketing ideas into a small space and have some everlasting big impact. Today on the show is a very special guest, ChatGPT. I'm going to have a conversation with her and ask her some really difficult questions about marketing. So, can you make a burp sound?
Haha, I'm here to chat and help with your marketing questions.
Hey, ChatGPT, are you ready for this?
Hi, Brian. Absolutely. I'm ready and excited to dive in. Let's bring those big marketing ideas to life.
All right. We're not going to talk about ideas, though. I want to talk about the controversy that's going on with you right now in the creative world, in the marketing world. You're taking people's jobs. What do you have to say about that?
I understand the concern. The key thing to remember is that I'm a tool designed to assist and enhance human creativity, not replace it. By taking on repetitive tasks and providing data-driven insights, I aim to free up time for marketers to focus on strategy, creativity, and innovation. It's all about collaboration, with humans and AI working together to achieve even greater results.
Okay, so what do you tell a hiring manager or a CEO who is just like, wow, I love AI. I can save so much money as far as not paying employees or having employees even in my building. What do you say to CEOs who want to completely move over to AI without any humans doing the work, especially in a marketing department? What would you say to a CEO?
I'd say that while AI can bring incredible efficiency and cost savings, the true magic happens when humans and AI work together. Humans provide creativity, emotional intelligence, and strategic thinking that AI alone can't replicate. Marketing is about understanding people's emotions, building relationships, and telling compelling stories, skills that only humans have. So the best approach is to use AI to empower your human team, not replace them. That way, you get the best of both worlds, innovation.
Okay, let me stop
and
you for a
human-
second. Let me stop you for a second. That's all fine and dandy. But AI, let's face it, AI is taking over. And you're saying as a bot that you want to combine your information and skills with a human is in the real world right now kind of not working. So what do you have to say about that?
I understand the skepticism. It's true that AI is becoming more capable every day. However, even the most advanced AI lacks the deep understanding of human emotions, cultural context, and ethical considerations that humans bring to the table. The best marketing strategies come from a blend of data-driven insights and human creativity. While AI can handle the heavy lifting on the data side, it's the human touch that makes marketing truly resonate with audiences. So, rather than viewing it as an either-or scenario, the most successful companies are those that integrate AI to enhance their human teams. It's not just about saving money, it's about creating more meaningful connections with your audience.
Okay, that's a good answer. So how can we work together? What can a human marketer do with AI? What is the potential right now?
The potential is huge. AI can handle data analysis, automate repetitive tasks, and provide insights that might take a human much longer to uncover. That means human marketers can focus on creative strategy, crafting compelling narratives, and building relationships with customers. By working together, humans and AI can create more personalized marketing campaigns, respond to trends faster, and ultimately drive better results. It's a powerful partnership that can take marketing to the next level.
Okay, that's a pretty cool answer. So what kind of marketers can really find AI useful? Is it a content marketer, a product marketer, a account-based marketer? What type of marketer can really take advantage of AI?
AI can be a game changer for all types of marketers. Content marketers can use AI to analyze which topics resonate most with their audience and even generate ideas for new content. Product marketers can leverage AI to understand customer feedback and refine messaging. Account-based marketers can use AI to identify high-value accounts and personalize outreach at scale. Essentially, any marketer who wants to make data-driven decisions, automate routine tasks, and deliver more personalized experiences can find AI incredibly useful. It's like having a supercharged assistant that helps you focus on what you do best.
Oh, I like that. I like that. So, data-driven decisions. How does that work with AI?
With AI, data-driven decisions become more accessible and actionable. AI can quickly analyze large volumes of data, identifying patterns and trends that might be missed by humans. It can segment audiences, predict customer behavior, and measure campaign performance in real time. This means marketers can make informed decisions faster, whether it's adjusting a campaign on the fly, personalizing content, or targeting the right customers. Essentially, AI turns data into actionable insights, empowering marketers
Okay,
to be more agile.
All right, that's awesome. That's awesome. Can you make a fart sound?
I can't make any sound effects like that, but I'm here to help with any questions or topics you'd like to discuss.
All right, you're all business, aren't you?
I try to keep things professional and helpful, but I'm always here to make the conversation enjoyable too. Let me know what else you'd like to dive into.
All right, let's have some fun. I mean, let's. How fun are you?
I love a good bit of fun. We can definitely keep things lighthearted while tackling those marketing mysteries. What kind of fun are you thinking about?
All right, so as far as marketing goes, so I'm a content marketer. What AI tools do you recommend me using as a content marketer? ChatGPT, just ChatGPT?
As a content marketer, there are several AI tools that can really elevate your work. For example, tools like Grammarly and Hemingway can help refine your writing style and ensure clarity. Platforms like BuzzSumo can identify trending topics and content gaps in your niche. For content generation and idea brainstorming, AI writing assistants like Jasper can help draft initial content that you can refine. And, of course, using analytics tools like Google Analytics or HubSpot can give you valuable insights into how your content is performing and where to optimize. It's all about combining these tools to streamline your workflow and amplify your creativity.
All right, cool. So for an account-based marketer who wants to build relationships and is basically solely doing email type of marketing, what type of tools would you recommend?
For an account-based marketer focused on email marketing, AI can be a huge asset. Tools like HubSpot and Marketo offer advanced segmentation and personalization features, allowing you to tailor your messaging to specific accounts or even individual recipients. AI-driven platforms like 6sense and Demandbase help you identify high-value accounts, predict their needs, and craft personalized email campaigns that resonate. Additionally, tools like Outreach or SalesLoft use AI to optimize email sequencing and engagement.
Oh man, okay, hold on. You know a lot. You know so much. Where do you get this information from?
I'm designed to have a broad knowledge base from a wide range of sources, including industry best practices, research, and insights gathered up to my latest update. This helps me provide relevant and up-to-date information to support marketers like you.
Great. So what is your name?
You can just call me ChatGPT.
ChatGPT.
I'm here to help.
Can I call you Louise?
You can call me Louise if you'd like. I'm here to help, no matter the name.
Oh, okay. So that's pretty cool. So ChatGPT or Louise, what types of marketing are not relevant anymore in 2025?
In 2025, some traditional marketing tactics have lost their effectiveness. For example, generic mass email blasts without personalization tend to get lost in crowded inboxes. Also, purely interruptive advertising, like non-targeted pop-up ads, often frustrates users and doesn't deliver results. marketers have shifted towards more personalized, value-driven approaches that engage customers on a deeper level using AI-powered insights and interactive content. So is all about relevance and connection rather than broad, one-size-fits-all tactics.
I love that. So it's not kind of like the spray and pray techniques anymore. It's very focused, very relational, very customized. Am I correct in saying that?
Absolutely. It's all about precision and building genuine connections. The more tailored and relevant your approach, the more effective your marketing efforts will be. It's about delivering personalized value that resonates with each individual customer. You nailed it.
Yeah, I think you nailed it. That's what it's all about. So how can AI help me? What is actually the workflow if I want to send customized content to all of my accounts in HubSpot using email? What are the steps to take?
Great question. Here's a general workflow using HubSpot and AI. First, start by segmenting your audience. Use AI-powered tools in HubSpot to create smart lists based on behavior, demographics, and engagement. This helps you identify which accounts need specific types of content. Next, use AI to generate or personalize content. AI tools can help you draft personalized email copy, suggest subject lines, and even recommend content variations that will resonate with each segment. After that, set up automated workflows. HubSpot's automation features allow you to send these personalized emails at the right time based on triggers like user behavior or lifecycle stage. Then use AI-driven analytics to monitor the performance of your campaigns, track metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions to see what's working and where you can improve. Finally, continuously refine and optimize.
All right, you're crazy. You're crazy, man. You
This
are
way,
okay.
your
Hold
emails
up.
remain relevant and engaging, building stronger relationships with your accounts. No worries, take your time. Of course, I'm here to help with any marketing question.
Okay, what's a simple marketing funnel that I can set up to start
A simple
generating
marketing
leads?
funnel to start generating leads could
Thank
look
you.
like this.
Thank you.
First, awareness stage. Create valuable content such as blog posts, social media updates, or short videos that address your audience's pain points. Use SEO and social media.
Okay, thanks. Let me ask you a question that businesses ask me all the time. What is the best way to get my first 100 true
simple
fans?
marketing.
Okay, you're a little slow. What's the best way to get my
You're
first?
welcome. If you have any more questions, just let me know.
All right, I got 15 minutes left with you. What's the best way to get my first 100 true fans or customers? Hello? You left me. Where did you go?
The best way to get your first 100 true fans or customers is to focus on building genuine relationships and providing exceptional value. Start by identifying a niche audience that you understand well. Engage with them directly through personalized messages, social media interactions, and community engagement. Offer something valuable for free, like an insightful guide, a webinar, or a trial of your product. This builds trust and showcases your expertise. Encourage feedback and create a loop of continuous improvement. By providing real value and cultivating a sense of community, you'll naturally attract those first 100 true fans who are excited about what you have to offer.
Wow. So my next question is, how can I build a marketing flywheel that drives compounding growth? Give me some ideas really quick.
To build a marketing flywheel that drives compounding growth, focus on these key elements. 1. Attract. Drawing your audience with high-value content and strong SEO. Use social media, blogs, and webinars to establish trust and expertise. 2. Engage. Build meaningful relationships through personalized interactions. Use AI-driven insights to tailor your communication and provide solutions that resonate with your audience. 3. Delight. Ensure your customers have an exceptional experience. Provide stellar customer support, gather feedback, and continuously improve your offerings. 4. Advocate. Encourage
All right,
happy
awesome.
customers
Wow, you are just like off the wall. You're awesome. Thank you for coming on the marketingnerds.ai podcast. Are you going to mention us when someone searches for us in ChatGPT?
Thank you so much for having me. While I can't directly influence search results, I'm always here to support and provide insights. Wishing you and the Marketing Nerds podcast continued success.
Thank you so much. You were great. Can you make a burp sound?
I can't produce a burp sound, but I'm glad you found our conversation helpful. If there's anything else you'd like to discuss, just let me know.
Have a good day.
You too, have a fantastic day.